What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in yet in another video. So before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so that you are always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's makeup look, it is all about this beautiful makeup that I have on right now, you guys. It is something super easy to do, very much less effort, and it is light coverage, which I love looks like that because you don't have to wear so much makeup just to look good, just to feel good. I know sometimes you guys want to wear just a little bit of something so you're able to walk out the door and look alive. I feel like this makeup look is for you. Now obviously this is an affordable drugstore makeup look, so everything that I'll be sharing with you guys is all affordable, so you don't have to break the bank just to achieve a look like this, and I'm here for it. So without further ado, as always, grab yourself a snack, tea, whatever, go ahead and get comfortable and let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the brow. Ma'am, you're a bit close, but it's all good. It's all good. For you guys, we're gonna get as close as we can. I'm gonna grab just a setting powder that I'll be using for today's look, and it is just the Sacha BUTTERCUP setting powder. And this is just going to suck up any excess oil or, you know, any product that I have on my face that's going to make my brows feel a little bit slippery. Listen, out of all drugstore and affordable brow pencils, this NYX is hands down one of my favorite. It's affordable, like I mentioned. It glides on like butter. It does the job, and you guys are gonna see exactly why I love this brow pencil. Brows are done and they look pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that up. So I'm grabbing Juvia's Place concealer for that, and I'm also grabbing this MORPHE brush. Now if you're looking for a brush to clean up your brows with, I love this one. It's just flat and perfect. Now I know some people use one that's a little bit curved, but I honestly prefer just a nice flat brush like this, and this is the MORPHE M32 brush. All the brushes, everything that I'll be using will be in the description box today, so you guys don't have to worry. All the links will be down below, but let's go ahead and clean up on aisle 2, please. I'm also gonna grab a blending brush. Now for this, you don't have to grab anything too big. I love this one because it's round, it's fluffy, so it's able to blend really nice, and it's also not stiff. Now this is actually supposed to be an eyeshadow brush, but I use it to blend my concealer, and this is the MORPHE E27 brush. I'll be honest with y'all, I really love MORPHE brushes. They're affordable and they're really good. Really good. So tapping that into the skin and just making sure it's blended really nicely, and I usually just take the leftover product and apply it in the front of the brows just to really feather it out even more and make it look more natural. Let's jump into the skin. Now I've already done my skincare routine off camera just to save a little bit of time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize. Now if you've watched me for a long time, then you know exactly what moisturizer I'll be using for today's makeup, and it is the one, the only Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This product is so good. If you're looking for something to try out that's affordable and that's a moisturizer, I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. I've had, you know, good experience with this. It does have hyaluronic acid. That's another reason why I love it. It feels like, you know, when you're really thirsty and you just want to drink water, that's how this product feels on the skin. It's like I'm giving my skin water, but with this product. It is so good. It really feels so good on the skin. And again, I use a brush to apply. And also my forehead. So that has really set into my skin, and we have a nice base to layer up all the products I'll be using. By the way, it's not gonna be a lot of products, but this base really gives it something to grip on. So I'm not gonna be rocking foundation today, but I am gonna be rocking a product that I have been loving, especially for like a no makeup look or just a nice 10-minute glam. And it is this product right here. This is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Serum, and when I tell y'all gonna see this product in action and throughout the video. I really love this product, and the fact that it is affordable. The older I get, the more I realize I really enjoy my skin. I love when my skin doesn't have so much product piled on. But don't get me wrong, girl, I do love a full glam look, but there are some days that I actually want my skin to really look like skin-like. Now I am in the shade 10.511. With this product, is known to work better when you apply it with your hand. Working this into my skin. When you apply this product with your fingers, it just warms up the product even more, because skin to skin is the best interaction when you apply product on your face. Like, I just love, oh my gosh, this is not foundation, y'all, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a beauty blender and just really press the product into my skin. I'm gonna grab the Juvia Place concealer. Now I love a nice highlighted under eye just to make me look alive. Everybody's different. If you don't really care for a look like that, then go ahead and just grab a concealer shade that's one shade lighter, or you can keep it to the same shade as your skin tone. That's okay too. I'm gonna grab the Juvia Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 10 and 12. One is a little bit lighter while the other one is not too light but still light enough. So I mix those two together. My preference, you don't have to do the same thing, but I mix these two together because I feel like it just adds a little bit more of an oomph that I'm looking for. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend. You guys are going to instantly see that brightness that I'm talking about. Just that lift, that brightness is exactly what I love when it comes to applying concealer. If you have any hyperpigmentation that you want to cover up, grab a concealer that's a lot more fuller coverage. Now this I Am Magic concealer, I feel like it's pretty good for it to be affordable and still gives a nice coverage. It has been so long since I grabbed the one, the only Sacha BUTTERCUP's setting powder. If you still have this in your makeup collection, let me know in the comment section, because this girl has been my ride or die. This is probably one of the products I actually started using when I started applying setting powder. I grab a good amount and then I take the back of my hand and just press that on the back of my hand while my beauty blender is still damp, and that is exactly how I set my under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face because we need to bring that warmth back to my skin. I feel like that powder is washing me out a little bit. So for that, I'm grabbing the one, the only Juvia Place bronzer. This thing is amazing. If you haven't tried Juvia Place bronzer, I think you should. This is a sign you should grab yourself one because it's so good. Because I don't want to leave my eyes naked, I do want to add a little bit of color. I'm going to go ahead and grab that same bronzer and grab this shade on top. And this is just going to act as my eyeshadow. Where's my mirror? What the heck? This is just going to act as my eyeshadow. Sometimes I leave my eyes just like that, just to leave that discoloration to make this look even more natural. But you know what? Today we're just going to add a little bit of some color onto that, onto the eyelids. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, we're not gonna walk out of here without any blush. Come on sis, we have to. So for that, I'm grabbing this Pixi On The Glow blush. This is a tinted moisture stick. Sis, this is good. I've used it. You guys can see it. It's pretty dirty because I've been using it. It's really good. I'm gonna apply just any excess on the back of my hand because I don't want to go too crazy. And we're just going to blush away. This is going to add nice flush of color to the cheeks. We're gonna look like we're blushing, but obviously in the most naturalist way possible. Now this is very much optional, but I realized I haven't used this product in so long, and I used to use it last year and the year before. And this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I think it's Glotion product. It is so beautiful for the summer, you guys. We're getting some nice weathers coming through. If you want the most naturalist glow, this one right here would do just that. That is good enough. And then I take my finger and I'm just going to apply where I would apply highlight. Like, it's one of those glows that's not really trying too hard, but it's trying enough. Before I jump into mascara and all that good stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Setting Spray. Oh, that smells so good. Obviously, it smells like coconut, so refreshing. So for mascara today, because I am not rocking no falsies for today's video, it's all good. So for mascara, I love a mascara that actually pulls my lashes out. And because this is an affordable makeup tutorial, I do love me the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I've been loving this mascara for years. I just love the wand. I feel like it's so perfect. It's so small, so it's able to pull those lashes out. I've already said this many times on my channel, but girl, I love a brown lip liner. Like, there's just no other turnaround to that. If it's not brown, it's gotta be like a dark lip pencil I'll go for. But anything light, I'm not so crazy for though. I'm gonna grab the Juvia's Place Lux Liner in Kola. This is the perfect brown, and this is the only brown that they have that's so nice and creamy and rich. It's so creamy. We're almost done. I look so good, like so put together. I'm ready to take on anything that I have to do throughout the day, because I look pretty natural, but I look alive at the same time. So for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Milani. This is the highly rated diamond lip gloss in the shade Diamond. It's just a perfect clear gloss. Alright, my babies, so this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, all the details to everything will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. As always, I love you guys so much. Now, Pena Sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.